Have you ever struggled using neither nor or their counterparts, either or? If you have, then stay tuned. We're going to explain those terms and more. Neither nor use in English grammar. Greetings, colleagues. I'm Timothy Barrett, and welcome to the 4 Business English Rundown, the show for professionals from all over the world who want to improve their professional communication skills in English. Today we're going to talk about neither nor use in English grammar. So how to use neither nor or their counterparts, either or. First, I guess we should talk about why you'd want to use these words. Although you could, instead of using these words, use other words or other expressions. Neither nor is a great way to kind of impress people. Neither nor is a little bit more advanced English, and if you're dealing with business English, you're dealing with other professionals, you might want to use this to kind of up your game, up your English level. And this is a very easy way to do it. Neither nor, either or, they're not complicated. It's very easy once you understand when to use them or how to use them. You can throw them in pretty naturally, and it just kind of ups your professional English game a little bit. Makes you look good. It's an easy way to do it. So let's talk about neither nor. You'd use either or neither nor when you're talking about an options of two different things. If you're only talking about one thing or you're talking about 3 or more things, you really can't use either or neither. So either A or B, or neither A nor B. And either or is the affirmative or the positive. I like either A or B. In other words, I'm happy with either. In other words, both are acceptable. I like A, I like B. Either A or B is a good choice. Now, neither is the negative, the opposite of that. I like neither A nor B. I don't like either of them. I don't like A, I don't like B. So I hope there's another option out there, because I don't like either of these. Or I like neither of them. So if we say I don't like either A or B, it's the same thing as saying I like neither A or B, because we're using a negative, the not or the neither. And of course, in English, we can't use a double negative. So we really shouldn't say I don't like neither A nor B. It's a double negative. It can be confusing, so don't say that. Now, if you're comfortable using either or, then you should be comfortable using neither nor. It's just adding another N to both words. Neither, either, nor, or. Now, we don't say neither or if these two words go together. We can say either or, neither nor. So don't mix up that, because that could also be confusing, or it shows that you don't really understand how to use these words, which is not a mistake that we want to make. We want to impress people with these by using these words. Either can also be a little tricky because we can say it either or either. Either. It's kind of like tomato, tomato, potato, potato, either. So you can say it either way, or we could say it either way. Both are correct, both are acceptable pronunciations. So whichever way you prefer is perfectly acceptable. If you're getting something out of this video so far, then please conquer that like button. Hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. Now let's look at some more examples of these. Let's look at some sentences. I think sometimes it's helpful to kind of see it in black and white, so to speak. So let me pull up some slides and we'll go through some sentences using either or neither. All right, let's jump into neither nor. We'll look at some different examples using these two words, as well as either or. He was interested in neither a comedy nor an action movie. Dan was hired by neither Apple nor Amazon. Dan applied to neither Miami University nor Pepperdine. Either or. She was interested in either a comedy or an action movie. Nancy was hired by either Apple or Amazon. Maybe I don't remember, I'm not sure, but I know it was one of those, either Apple or Amazon. Nancy applied to either Miami University or Pepperdine. Again, maybe I'm not sure or I don't remember, but I know it's one of those, either Miami University or Pepperdine. Remember, either or is positive. Nancy applied to either Miami University or Pepperdine. It's positive. Neither nor is negative. Nancy applied to neither Miami University nor Pepperdine. She didn't apply to either of them, or she applied to neither of them. And you can only use with two options. If it's more than two, then you cannot use either neither or either. If more than two, then you can use neither nor either. And avoid the double negatives. We can't say not neither, not neither. And remember that you can say either or either, neither or neither. Both ways to pronounce those two words are correct. So I've tried to change it up as I've been talking about it, but both of them are correct. All right, if you have any questions, then drop them in the comments. It's time to conquer that like button and make it ours. If you did like this video, I'm sure you like the other ones even more, so check them out. If you had any questions about this video or neither nor, either or, drop a comment in the chat. Work hard today and enjoy tomorrow.